So from the previous video, we learned that s, that is the distance, is equals to u plus v over 2 multiplied by t. So we also proved that velocity is equals to u plus at in the previous video also. So now to get the third law of motion, we have to make t the subject of formula in the first equation of motion and substitute it in the second equation of motion. So therefore s is equals to u plus at, then divided by 2 multiplied by t. So s is equals to 2u plus at divided by 2 multiplied by t. Let me erase that. So s is then equal to 2u divided by 2 plus at divided by 2, everything multiplied by t. Then 2, if 2 cancels 2 in this 2u over 2, then s is then equal to u plus at over 2 multiplied by t. So let me erase that. Then when you use t to multiply through, you have that s is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 at square, since t is multiplying t. Also, for the derivation of the fourth law of motion, we are using the first equation and the second equation for the derivation. So in this case, we are making t the subject of formula and we are putting it back in the first equation. So let me erase that. And then s is equal to u plus v over 2 multiplied by t. So making t the subject of formula, we are multiplying, we are dividing both sides by t, sorry. So if you divide both sides by t, then t will cancel t here. So we have that s over t is equals to u plus v divided by 2. So we are trying to make t the subject of formula, so multiply through by 2. Then afterwards we divide both sides by u plus v. So that means 2s is equals to u plus v over t. Then multiply by t, sorry. So divide both sides by u plus v. Divide both sides by u plus v, since we are making t the subject of formula. Then u plus v will cancel u plus v. Therefore we have that t is equals to 2s divided by u plus v. So also, let me erase that. So from our first equation of motion, we have that v is equal to u plus at. Now to get the third law of motion, we have to substitute t in the first equation. So v is now equals to u plus a. Since we are substituting t, so t is 2s plus v, 2s divided by u plus v. So that's it. No, wait, let me erase that. So 2s divided by u plus v. So when you expand that, you have that v is equal to u plus 2as divided by u plus v. So now we are trying to look for the LCM. So first common u plus v. So u plus v divided by u is u plus v. Then we are using it to multiply u plus. So since u plus v is cancelling u plus v, so that we are left with 2as. So okay, let me erase that. Then we have that v is equals to, if we expand the bracket, we have that u square, that's equals to u square plus uv plus 2as divided by u plus v. So let me write that. So if we cross multiply, you have that. So v is multiplying u plus v. So that would be v square plus uv is equals to u square plus uv plus 2as. So what's common to both sides? U plus v. So let's cancel that out. So u plus v will cancel u plus v. So then we are left with v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So that is the fourth equation of motion. So that is it for today's lesson. So in the next lesson, we'll be using these equations to solve some calculations. So thank you for watching. See you next class.